What's up guys, it's George with the It Dad back with another tutorial video. I wasn't really going to do another video after my chapstick application tutorial, but got so much feedback, people saying, it really changed their life, made their life a lot better, so I couldn't let them down. As I promised in that last video, I was going to do a eye drop tutorial, and here it is. So a lot of people come up to me, sometimes random people in the street, they're like, hey, your eyes look really moisturized. What do you use? No secret, it's just an eye drop. The one I like to choose is Blink because it was already in the drawer and I don't really go eye drop shopping. First question most people ask is, how hard do I squeeze? I don't really have an answer for that. I just say just enough. You don't want to squeeze too hard or else all the eye drops will fall out. You don't want to go too light to where you struggle getting one drop out. So just enough squeeze. Next one is how far should I lean back? I want to say not too far. You don't want to go so far that you choke on it. You don't want to be too straight to where it all just lands on your eyebrow. And also, I think a 45-degree angle is perfect. You just want to eyeball it. No pun intended, just eyeball it. And then just like the chapstick, I like to go left to right. So left and right. I think I did too much, but that's okay. If you have any excess, just wipe it with your hand or your shirt. And once you do that, I like to just go this side eye roll for like 10 seconds. And what that does is it distributes all the eye drops so that you don't leave any dry spots on your eyeballs. Yep, that's it. When you're done, just kind of keep rubbing. I did too much, but if you haven't done so, well, you can't subscribe to my channel because I don't have one. I'm hoping my wife will make that for me soon. Until then, just enjoy this video. I'm not sure what else to apply, so if you have any suggestions, just comment down below or wherever you're watching this. Alright? Don't forget to blink. See you later.